consumers, 50 plus rider communities, first scooter to have Bluetooth connectivity, India's first scooter to have more than 10 PS power, world's first scooter to collaborate with Marvel, 6 times undisputed INRC champion, fastest scooter to cover Golden Quadrilateral, and many more. Let us see who is the consumer of TVS and Talk. If you look at the consumer, existing consumer is 18 to 30 years old, a primarily student. For him, the responsibilities of life has not begun, and the life is primarily confined by the phone. And he seeks unique style from the purchases he makes, and he needs validation. Whereas the product what we are going to showcase today is for the consumer who is coming of age. These are mostly first-time jobbers. For them, the responsibilities have begun. Life is no longer confined by the four walls of the college, but they have stepped into the corporate life, and they are just totally differently and in a new way now. And for them, ability needs to be demonstrated first, then comes the attitude, and for them, masculinity, power, and youthful design is what they look for in all their purchases. And they are more self-assured since they have tasted some success in their life. Let's see more about this consumer in detail now.
This generation, they're wired for motion, always evolving, accelerating, leveling up. Not because they're restless, but because they're relentless. Their attitude comes with ability, their confidence with results. They break rules not to rebel, but to challenge conventions. They think different, move different, demand different. Performance isn't what they want, it's what they expect. Technology isn't just a tool, it's second nature. And style isn't decoration, it's declaration. This is the high-performance generation.
So if we look at 2018, the basic needs from scooter were convenience, comfort, ease, and safety. However, when we launched Antok in 2018, we redefined the category and we brought style, tech, and the excitement of riding a scooter into the Indian market. And now with the new product, we are going to cover the futuristic needs like masculinity, young design, performance of a high-end bike, inner scooter, advanced tech, enhanced safety, and sporty yet practical scooter. And this is what we are calling hypersport scooter. So without spending much time on the presentation, I would like to introduce with great excitement and thrill the all-new TVS Antok 150, India's first hypersport scooter.
Antok never played alone. It always played ahead. Pictures didn't turn heads, it turned the category on its head. But the real beast is just getting started. Make way for the icon. Made to war. Looks like trouble. Rides like a legend. The streets won't know what hit them. Feel your hyper side. Hyper performance. Hyper technology. Hyper style. Not a scooter. The hyper scooter.
class features. I'll not be doing justice to the product if I don't read out each and every feature for you. It comes with Alexa integration, smartwatch integration, four-way navigation switch, first in segment bright projector headlamps, race and street mode, quickest acceleration 0 to 60 in just 6.3 seconds, IO assist with boost mode, TFT cluster with 50 plus connected features, adaptive brightness control for TFT, crash alert, stylish front combination lamps, vehicle live tracking, incognito mode on the cluster, SOS trigger, naked handlebars, aerodynamic winglets, social media notifications, emergency brake warning, adjustable brake lever, custom widgets, over-the-air service updates, follow me headlamps. It also comes with 5 best-in-class features like traction control for enhanced safety, music control, smart ride insights, call notification with caller image, accepted call, reject call options. Let us know more about these features with the help of a product film now. So let us know Antok has always been about design, tech and performance. So in terms of design, this is the evolution of Antok over the years. We had a concept called as TVS Graphite, which was conceptualized into Antok 7 years back, and the Antok 150 is much more sleeker, is much more sportier now. It comes with 4 key elements, style elements. First is your arrowhead shape. So it launches like an arrow, and it is the quickest scooter in the country. Apart from that, it comes with aerodynamic winglets. These winglets help you during high speeds and during cornering to maintain stability. Apart from that, it comes from first in segment quad LED projector headlamps. This, apart from giving the stylish look to your vehicle, also makes the road brighter. Apart from that, it comes with naked handlebar, which increases or gives you the sportier riding posture when you sit on the scooter, and it comes with signature T-shaped rear lamps at the rear. In terms of engine, it comes with all new 3-valve 150cc O3C engine. O3C engine means oil-cooled combustion chamber, and actually it enhances the compression ratio of your scooter, which increases the performance of the bike. It comes with ride modes like race and street mode. So when you are on a highway, you can use race mode, and when you are in Goa inside riding somewhere in the Goa, you can switch to street mode. Apart from that, it comes with IO assist boost mode. IO assist gives you on-demand surge of power just when you need it. It comes with a torque of 14.2 Nm at 5500 RPM, a maximum power of 9.7 kilowatt at 7000 RPM, which makes it the quickest scooter in India, cruising from 0 to 60 in just 6.3 seconds. To enhance the safety, it comes with traction control and ABS. Traction control is meant for the rainy days in Goa when it's raining. It helps wheel tire, rear tire from slippages and all, and vehicle remains in total command and control of yours. Apart from that, it comes with anti-lock braking system at the front. So during those quick or sudden braking instances, it actually helps you to control your vehicle in a better way. I'll just show you with the help of a small video how it works. This is the anti-lock braking system. This is the traction control system. It helps you during those rainy days, preventing the wheel from slippage. So the TFT cluster of Antok 150 is inspired from the gaming, and it gives you a feel of a gaming, that you're holding a gaming console, and it is powered by a race-inspired consumer interface. It comes with 4-way navigation switches. 4-way navigation switches help you to control your cluster from the handlebar. So you don't have to take your eyes off the scooter when you're riding, when you want to control your cluster. You can just do it with the help of four-way navigation switches, and these switches are intuitive. Apart from that, it has 50 plus connected features like Alexa, first time in the segment, smartwatch integration, navigation, crash alert, etc. And to enhance the safety of the vehicle, it also comes with SOS trigger, high speed alert, live tracking of the vehicle, to name a few. And it comes in 2 variants and 4 colors: nitro green, turbo blue, racing red, and stealth silver. And all this comes at a price of 1,19,000. This is at showroom price Goa. Thank you, and now I request Shri Dilkar to take it from here.